Hello to all the hair besties in the land. I'm here with
Miss Allegra.
Yes. Let's see your hair story. This is all you.
This is all me.
Can we open you up?
Please.
Okay.
I've been waiting for you to open me up.
Oh, so you're slightly brassy in the back. It looks like you have a little bit of gray hair.
Mature highlights.
Oh, you got some breakage. This is paranormal activity. I want you to be blonde without being brassy, but you like it warm and bright.
I do, because I'm about a 2.
You know your color
Naturally,
level.
I do. I grew up
Salon?
around salons.
Oh, wow. Yes, let's get started. Oh my gosh, that's a picture of you at the gym?
I know. Can you believe that? Look, we're kind of matching.
You and your husband.
Yes.
So I actually saw you on Botch, and I have it here on the TV screen.
You do.
You play a piano.
Yes, I play the piano. I love it.
I'll be honest with you, the only thing I think is kind of botchy is your hair. So you can see all the short broken pieces up here, and it's so disconnected from your length down here.
Right.
It's actually a lot more warm and brassy, if you will, and up here is so much more wider.
Unbotch me.
Unbotch you. Okay.
I just like people to feel how heavy they are.
Your seam is kind of stretching. Well, definitely it takes more than 2 hands to hold one. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna use a hybrid of Magnum 8 and Big 9. 1 full scoop, 1:2 ratio of 10 volume. Big 9, and Big 9s are cream lightener that gives 9 levels of lift, 1 to 1/2 ratio with 10 volume. And that's my favorite mixing ratio with the hybrid. I'm gonna put on my hand condoms. I actually scoop from the corner of the bowl. So you'll see me scoop product from the corner and then apply. So when you look at the top of Allegra's head here, you can see that she's slightly more brassy. She has a centimeter of regrowth. Because of the gray, her hair will appear lighter than what you think. So she's able to take on a little more aggression than you think. Apply the lightener a little bit away from her routage. I believe warm can be soft and not brassy. I think there's a stereotype when people think of warm. People are wanting it, they just don't know they want it because not everybody looks good with ashy hair. If I open up Allegra's hair here in the back, you can see this whole block in her nape area is gold, and up here is very cool and light. This is where she's been overlapping and causing all that fuzzy breakage. The hair down here is healthier. So I am gonna overlap this with either 10 or 20 volume with Magnum. All right, so as I get close to around her parietal area, she is starting to have a lot of breakage around her hairline. Now, a lot of people is gonna get on to me about like, why did he lift her to a 10 to deposit warmth in? Well, the warmth I'm putting in is gonna be a control warmth, not a brassy underlying pigment warmth. There's a huge difference. All right, so I'm mixing a second. Oh, hey. Dyson! Oh my gosh! The husband, Allegra's husband. Look how hot he is.
Isn't he?
It's kind of your fault. You've been high lifting her hair, right?
Yeah.
Between you two, you guys.
I made him do it.
This is just 10 volume with lightener, but do you see how much more lighter it is than high lift? You're actually blowing up the cuticle, and as you overlap, you have little breakage. Do you see all the split ends? So we can't have you doing her hair no more.
Okay.
You see what you did? You botched her! All right, so I'm using mesh sheets instead of foils. Now the mesh sheets actually come in the Stroke 7 balayage kit, and it looks like this. It incubates the hair, it keeps the lightener moist, so it doesn't dry out, but yet it doesn't conduct that type of heat that you get with foils. I'm gonna overlap this area. I'm able to get her lighter using Magnum 8 and Big 9 hybrid. If you do it right the first time, you don't have to ever overlap. And what we're actually gonna do is throughout her whole entire head, let her process for probably about 30 minutes. She'll be super blonde and she's gonna love it. All right, so we process Allegra for 20 minutes. Look how light she got with just 10 volume. The reason why I mixed Big 9 with Magnum 8, guys, is because Magnum 8 just gives like the perfect buttery blonde, but mixing it with Big 9 just lifts it that much further. Big 9 alone gives it that white, icy blonde, right? So having that hybrid gives me that control of giving me a little bit more brightness, but without overlifting. You can't believe I got you this light with 10 volume.
It's gorgeous.
I just want to open up to you and just say, like, you know, sometimes I want to be a woman because I think being a woman is so powerful.
I understand and identify with you. It's kind of like the Mother Earth. You know, I'm the mother to many children, and I feel like it's my job to kind of mother the world into a new way of thinking. Even men that identify with their female side or want to feel like a woman, I don't think there's any shame in that. In fact, we should embrace it. And
I agree. Your breasts are so elevated.
they are. They're like my mountainous peaks. It's changing ideas about what this aesthetic is. You don't necessarily just have to have an extreme aesthetic. You can be a wife, you can be a mother, you can be a serious business owner. I want people to embrace all sides of themselves and not just think it's one or the other.
Stereotypes are not sexy.
Oh,
You like that?
oh, I love
You like that? Look at your hair.
I know, I love it. Isn't it great? It's so healthy.
I'm gonna spin you around so everyone can see.
It's fabulous.
Now we're gonna put the new collection on her called the Naked Glow collection. This is Naked Glow 9, and I'm actually gonna mix it with the ice gold. We don't want her retouch to pop. We want it to look more muted. That's why I'm gonna choose to go with 9 IG. I'm gonna use 6 volume, 1:2 ratio. When you're mixing 1:1 ratio, the pH is 6.6 to 6.9. If you're mixing 1:2 ratio, the pH is 6.1 to 6.4, so it's more acidic. So I only want pure deposit. I want to close the cuticle to Allegra's hair so we have more shine in her hair. All right, so I'm gonna use 2 full tubes of Naked Glow 9.
Ooh, I like that. It's not gross.
So right here in her retouch here, I'm applying Naked 9 to 10 grams 9 IG Ice Gold. I want you to look as natural as possible.
At least in my hair.
All right, so now I'm applying Naked Glow 9, just a little bit off of her retouch. I'm doing about 2 inches just to create a transition. So now I'm adding crystal clear dim eye to remaining Naked Glow 9. I barely want pigment into the hair, just enough just to give it some type of tonality. And then I'm gonna add 1:2 ratio of 6 volume developer. How's your ramen?
It's so delicious. I love it.
We were talking about like how when I saw you on TV, I feel like they make you look like you're in a circus.
They want to sensationalize it like I'm some kind of freak. It's like, except, oh, that makes sense. She couldn't possibly choose to do that on her own.
Getting to know you, I've known that you're a mom of 8 kids. How old are you?
I'm 49. I turned 49 in May.
How has people stereotyped you with your age and having 8 kids?
I have to be either or. I can't possibly bring together the sexy aesthetic with a sound mind, wife, partner, mother. You can bring the aesthetic together and still be sexy and intelligent. Anywhere I walk, I can be at the grocery store, I can be bowling with my family. I just think everybody wants to stand out, but very few have the courage to do it.
When I launched the Naked to You collection, it's about having more than one passion. I feel like people always go, stick to your day job, just do hair. I want to do so many different things, so I wrote a song called Naked to You, which you're in the music video.
Yes, I'm so excited.
We're multifaceted as humans.
Yeah, absolutely.
You can be a mom and you can juggle all these dreams that you have and be yourself. I think
Exactly.
everyone can be anything they want to be. I don't know why we're trapped inside a box.
I want to be an example for other women that maybe have those feelings of maybe I could upgrade my look and start feeling better about myself.
I think people think love yourself, meaning don't do anything about it. Don't go to the gym. Don't go on a
Don't do
diet.
your hair, don't get a nose job, don't do this.
Loving yourself is about taking care of yourself, doing what makes you happy. And you play the piano.
I do.
And I want us to get together, you play the piano and I sing. I think that's what we should do.
That would be so great.
Let's create music together, create harmony.
I love it.
Look at that color though. And look at that shadow retouch. And it comes right into this beautiful, warm, naked glow.
I love being naked, even on my head.
So pretty, but we're gonna put extensions in. We got clip-ins for her, but we're actually not gonna use these. You're just gonna take them home and then use them when you need to. You like this color?
I love this color.
We're gonna do tape-ins. Let's see if these matches. These are actually from Bellamy. This is perfect. One of the reasons why I love doing tape-in extensions is quick and I get to put a lot of hair in at once. They're easy to remove. I am using these 22-inch extensions and I place it right under. What I do when I do the tape-ins is I do a brick lay pattern. You'll see me do 3 here, and then when I go up, I'll do 4, 3, 4 till I get to the top. I already did about 4 and it blends seamlessly. The key is to make sure you don't place it too far to the hairline, because what happens is if she decides to pull her hair back, she's not gonna be able to hide the tape. After I put the tape into the hair, I go in and I press the hair with a flat iron just to almost melt it together. Oh my gosh, guys, I am in love with your hair.
I'm in love with my hair too, thank you.
How do you feel about the color?
I feel like it's perfect. It totally matches my personality. It's clean, it's gorgeous.
No more brassy.
No more brass.
You went from brassy to classy.
Ta-da! I feel so sophisticated and sleek and a little nasty naughty. Just a little bit of me.
I love how the extensions just blend in with your hair color. Sometimes you have to lift and then deposit the warmth so it looks like a natural cool warmth so it doesn't look brassy. And adding that crystal clear into the Naked Glow. I can't wait for you guys to try the Naked Glow and the new Naked Blush color that's coming out with the Naked to You collection. Allegra's in the music video.
I'm so excited. It was so much fun. I loved it.
So if you guys haven't heard the new song, it's called #Naked to You. You can download it on iTunes now.
Yay!
It's a soundtrack to a beautiful collection. Subscribe. I'm gonna put links below so you get to stalk Allegra on all of her channels and outlets. Click that bell to get all the new videos coming up soon. Love you guys much.
Love you too.
Oh,
A little personal pillow.
oh, look at this. These are pillows.